Holoball unboxing tutorial. After receiving the package, first check if it's damaged. If everything looks good, place the box with the front side up and open the top cover. Take out the accessory bag first, then remove the 4 pieces of sponge foam on the upper layer one by one. At this point, you can see the upper half of the device. Important notes: never lift the device by the light strip, that's the red area, when taking it out. This can easily break it. Be sure to hold the central column, the green part, and take the entire device out. Once taken out, find a flat and level table or countertop. Place the device gently with the front side up, and make sure not to put it upside down or tilted. Next, first plug the matching power plug into the power interface on the base, then plug the power adapter into a socket. After powering on, the device will start automatically, and that's the installation done. Final reminder: the product operates at high-speed rotation. Be sure to install it in a place out of reach of hands or attach a protective cover. Safety first. Wish you a pleasant use.